Next note we're going to work on is the hiccup. The hiccup is a two-part note. It's commonly referred to as alt-ic, and that's because that's the sound you kind of make into the call to get the hiccup. And the hiccup on its own is designed to let one caller sound like two bees coming in. Very excited. It uses a little pickup call in contest routines, and it's a great working band call. And it sounds a little something like this. And to get this, basically you're going. Here's what it sounds like in back of the call. And you can play around with the tone and the speed to give it some juicy cadences and playing around with the cymbals. It's great for your bottom work. I like mixing in with little murmurs and laying beats if I'm not doing what I want to do. And pick them up a little bit with this, a little something like this.